Here's one way to populate a assembly. In this case here, I'm using this parallel here, and I used the same parallel in 4 spots. So here's one way. The first one is made it to these holes, concentric to the holes, and to the bottom surface here. So the one quick way to do it, since the holes are existing, one quick way of doing this is copy with mates. It's actually one of my preferred ways if I'm not doing a pattern. So here's what it will ask you. Coincident. This is basically copying the mates and then moving the component, copying the component. So select this face here, and then you see the preview here. This is what I previously used. So we use that screw hole counterbore, and then here. And then you can just right click and verify that or confirm it. And then the same one is not used in the middle. So the next one would be here, and then select this one and this one, and again you see the parallel pop up. Say OK, and then the next one, and notice how this stays active. It's pinned, so that stays open. So select that, and this hole, and then confirm. Now to close that, you don't confirm, just hit X to close it out. So if you're not using a pattern, if you're using a feature, this is one way of doing it. There's different ways. This is just, for this particular case, is my preferred way. Stay tuned, subscribe. I hope it was helpful. Stay tuned for future tips. Thank you.